India is an agriculture country where 55% population is engaged in agriculture, which contributes a lot in India's GDP. But currently, the soil health in India has become a big threat. We are having 140 crore population, and to feed this huge population, the soil of India has to be healthy for the future generation. India is having 2.5% share of global land, but we are supporting 16% of global population and 20% of cattle population on 2.5% of the soil. So we can imagine the importance of the soil health in India is huge. The decreasing fertility of the soil has become a very crucial problem. The fertility of the Indian soil is decreasing because of the excess use of chemical fertilizer. The use of chemical fertilizer has increased from 100 kg per hectare to 166 kg per hectare since 2001 to 2020, with an annual increase of 3.81% per annum. And because of this excessive use of chemical fertilizer, the soil has become hard and we are losing the flora and fauna. As I said, we are already late, so we must start working on soil health by today. We need to work on how we can utilize the resources available in the villages more effectively by taking the farmers in consideration, by utilizing and converting the local resources more effectively. Iresoil is helping farmers to produce a value-added organic fertilizer like vermicompost, phosphate-rich organic manure, and biogas digested slurry, which is liquid organic fertilizer at their doorstep. We called Khatachi Factory. So Iresoil is supporting to the farmers by giving them a small Khatachi factory where the farmers are producing this value-added fertilizer and they are putting it back to their soil. By putting this doorstep made organic fertilizer by the farmers through their own local resources, the organic carbon of their soil is going to increase, which will result in the productivity of the soil. We need to provide a sustainable and affordable solution to the farmer without compromising their yield to bring the behavioral changes in their life. We, Iresoil team, would request all like-minded entities, NGOs, corporates and funding agencies to join us in this Save Soil campaign for future generation. Thank you.